Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can archive any post in your Facebook account. So if you don't know what archiving means, then archiving any post means that you are moving it to a private section of your Facebook activity log where only you will be able to see it and nobody else. So let's see how to archive any post. So to archive any post, simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Now once you have clicked here, you need to click on see your profile option right here. Simply click on the see your profile and go to that particular post that you want to archive. So for example, I want to archive this particular post right here. Now in order to archive this post, simply click on these three vertical dots present at top of this post. Once I've clicked here, you can see this option which says move to archive. Simply click on this move to archive button and just wait for it. Here you can see that the post have been moved to archived. Now that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.